Let's face it, working from home while taking care of a child isn't just multitasking. It's next-level, superhero-level juggling. And let's be honest, no one gives you an instruction manual for it. But here's the thing. You can make it work. In fact, I'm about to share everything you need to know to not just survive, but thrive in this unique situation. First things first, accept that balance doesn't mean perfection. Let go of the idea that you'll finish a report while your toddler builds a Lego masterpiece quietly for hours. Spoiler alert, that's not going to happen. What can happen is creating a system that lets you manage both your work and your child's needs without feeling like you're constantly failing at both. Step 1. Master the art of time blocking. This is your new superpower. Break your day into chunks. Some for focused work, some for family time, and some for you. Yes, you. Start by aligning work tasks with your child's natural rhythms. Is your child more active in the morning? That's when you give them activities that keep them busy while you tackle your most challenging work. Do they nap in the afternoon? That's your golden hour for deep focus. Next up, create a workspace that works for everyone. Even if you're working from the corner of your living room, make it yours. Add a comfy chair, your favorite coffee mug, and maybe a pair of noise-canceling headphones. But here's the trick. Set up a mini workspace for your child nearby. Think crayons, books, or puzzles, something they associate with their work time. It's not just cute, it's surprisingly effective. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, interruptions. They're going to happen, no matter how much you plan. The key is to plan for the interruptions. Keep a stash of activities that require minimal supervision. For toddlers, it could be sensory bins or sticker books. For older kids, it might be educational games or crafts. And yes, when all else fails, there's no shame in letting a little screen time step in as your temporary co-parent. What about when things feel unmanageable? Here's the golden rule. Ask for help. If you have a partner, tag team whenever possible. If you're a single parent, consider leaning on friends, family, or even local babysitting networks. You might even be able to swap childcare with another parent who's in the same boat. Remember, asking for help isn't a weakness. It's how you stay strong. Speaking of support, tap into technology. There are apps for everything these days, scheduling, task management, even meal planning. Use them. Automate whatever you can to save mental energy for the things that matter most. Now let's talk about your work. Communication is everything. Let your employer or clients know your situation and set realistic expectations. For example, you might tell your boss that you'll respond to emails within a certain time frame, but Zoom calls may require some flexibility. Most people will appreciate your honesty and will likely work with you to find a solution. Finally, and this is crucial, don't forget yourself. Working from home with kids is exhausting, and burnout is real. Carve out time for self-care, even if it's just 10 minutes to breathe, stretch, or scroll Instagram, guilt-free. You can't pour from an empty cup, so take care of yourself first. At the end of the day, remember this, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's about finding what works for your family and being flexible enough to adapt as things change. Some days will be smooth and others will feel like chaos, but that's okay. You're learning, adjusting, and doing your best, and that's more than enough. So if you're wondering whether it's possible to work from home and take care of your child, the answer is a resounding yes. It's not easy, but with the right mindset, tools, and a little patience, you'll not only make it work, you'll find your rhythm. You've got this, and I'm here cheering you on every step of the way.